Hey everyone, today I would like to show you the system that I have presented to you a couple of days ago, which is called Inventory Control Management System. And this is the inventory data that I have displayed to you. And in addition to this tool, I have added some portion of the system which will include the issuance log, which is this one. I'm gonna make it bigger so for you to be able to see it much clearer. And this worksheet, okay, it includes the date issued, stock ID, description, stock description, quantity issued to the customer. The customer could be an internal customer or could be an external customer, and issued by Bob Francisco. This is the application username. So if you have a multiple users of the desktop where you're having this system, this tool that you're using, then let's say for example 4 individuals is using the same system in the same desktop, then you can add, okay, username here, issued by, okay. At this time I'm just using the application username, which is Bob Francisco, okay. And then let's go to the inventory, or rather the issuance log. The issue item form can be open here in the issuance log, or it can be open in the inventory, because I have added it here, issue item form. Okay, in the issue item form, all you have to do is just select the stock ID, the item that you want to issue to the customer. And I have embedded the description. This is a label, description, and another label, available quantity. These two are embedded here, and it will appear the actual description, and the actual available quantity will appear after I have selected the stock ID, also the quantity to issue, the issued to, and then remarks. So you say whatever you want to say here in the remarks, and then you issue item here. You click the green button, issue item, then this will be reflected here. It will be added here in this rather not added, it will not be added, but it will be, the item will be updated rather, okay. It's the TUY 6425 engine strut mount Toyota. This is the one that I'm gonna issue to the customer, for example. Okay, it has a beginning inventory of 34, then it has issued 30 right now. Okay, it has where is it, rather 40, total issuance is 40, okay. And the ending inventory is 24 right now, okay. And the corresponding cost ending inventory is 438. So okay, I can open the issue item form here and issue the customer, and then this one will be will be updated. The data TUY 6425 will be updated, and the ending inventory will be updated as well, which is 24 right now. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, I want to make it bigger so that you can see it a lot clearly, okay. So alright, so again, TUY 6425, okay, 34 beginning inventory, and the total issuance already 40, and then the ending inventory is 24, right, and then $438 the cost in ending inventory, 24 units available ending inventory. So see, let me go to the okay, I've already explained this to you in my previous video, right. Okay, I'm gonna exit it. And then okay, the inventory, this is for the new unit. When you have the new stock ID, you use this form, then it will be reflected in the inventory data. Alright, and then but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna I'm gonna issue that TOY 6245 and then close form, or I can do it in the issuance log. I can go to the issuance log, then issue this 6425. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the issuance log, and then I'm gonna open the I'm gonna open this one, issue item form. Okay, I have already explained to you everything, right? The issue, stock ID, description, quantity, okay, issued by remarks. That's it. Okay, and then I'm gonna open the issue item form, and then I'm gonna select whatever I want to select. For example, this one is, see, before nothing here. Okay, nothing. But when I put something here, like Caterpillar ID 1234, and then the description is turbocharger assembly for Caterpillar 3508, and then this is the available quantity. So you can decide how many quantity to issue because you can see the available quantity right here. Okay, and then the another one, it's a DDA. This is Detroit Diesel Allison turbocharger assembly, Detroit Diesel Allison 16, available right now. It's a FRD. This is Ford 2624 ID radiator assembly Ford pickup truck 30, available right now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you I'm gonna issue this TOY 6425, which because I already shown you the ending inventory which is 24, and here it's 24 available quantity because that is the ending inventory 624. So okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna issue 5 items. Okay, issued to, let's say I'm gonna issue to James. I'm gonna issue to James Wong. Okay, I'm gonna put any remarks, anything you want to say. So let's say, for example, I'm gonna say ship to Dubai, for example, right? Then issue item. Just look at the issuance log. Right now, there are only 3 records, entered in this sheet, the issuance log. Then I'm gonna issue this now. Okay, click OK. Item issued and logged successfully. Click OK. So I'm gonna close this. Okay, if you see right now, issued on 4th. Today is 4th November. Okay, TOY 6425 engine strat mount Toyota Camry. Quantity issues 5. James Wong, issued by Bob Francisco, shipped to Dubai. If you see the inventory data, okay, it's already updated. Let me check this out. Okay, remember TOY 6425 engines torque strat mount Toyota Camry. Beginning inventory is 34, 18, 25 cost per unit, $25. Okay, and remember, before it was 40, now it becomes 45 because I issued additional 5. Then let's say the ending. Okay, the ending is before it was, okay, it was, remember, it was 14. Was it 14? Okay, now it's 19. Sorry, it was ending inventory because minus 5. It was 24 rather. Sorry, it was 24. Now it's 19 because we deducted 5 because our 5 units issuance. Okay, now it become 45. Before it was 40. Okay, before it was 14, become 45. Okay, also the total cost was reduced. Okay, 346 now dollars. Then this one is ending inventory 19. So what I mean is, when you issue item, okay, issue item here. When you issue item, the item that's 6425 TOY 6425 was, okay, Now it's already only 19. Before it was 24. So what I mean is, when you issued a certain number of quantity, it will be added to the log, issuance log, and it will also updated the inventory data, because the data here in the data, what you're gonna do is you're gonna issue new item, okay, with new stock ID. But when you're doing issuance, okay, you can also issue certain numbers here, or you can make it blank. Okay, you can make it blank, or you can issue items and issue to customers. But at the same time, you can do it in the issuance log, and then you just use the issue item form. Okay, issue item form. So that's it. That's the addition portion of the system that I have added, okay, to make it really a robust system. We want to scalable and robust system. Okay, let's go to the dashboard. Okay, dashboard, nothing here right now. Okay, what I have now is I get the inventory data. I go back to data board. I can also have the issuance log. Yeah, here's the issuance log, the issue item form. Okay, and then inventory data, and then dashboard. Okay, I get everything. Then I got to refresh the dashboard. I got to refresh the dashboard. Right now I get 49 items, $448,000, $369,000, $2,000 for the loss value, and items below reorder point is already 21 items. So let me count this. If you look at the let I make it bigger. If you look at the count here below at the bottom, it's 21. So it's 21. So these are the critical stock that you have to reorder, because it's already, the reorder point is already above the ending quantity, the ending inventory. So this is a good thing about this, is you are able to monitor the stock that you want to reorder. Okay, blower assembly, intake manifold, brake pads, Dodge Ram 1500, brake shoes, Isuzu, shift assembly, Mercedes, manual shift, etc. Okay, these are all below the reorder point, the ending quantity, and so that's why you need to, because if you reach this point, the reorder point, then you have to reorder, and definitely this below the ending quantity. All right, so this is it for our additional presentation for today's the inventory control management system. And okay, I have added the issuance log as well as the issue item form, okay, for you. If you're interested, just contact us in getting this tool. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.